In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Instagram profile picture in Photoshop. Mastering this skill can make your profile stand out and look professional. Let's dive right into it. Starting off, open Adobe Photoshop and create a new canvas. You want this canvas to be exactly 3 by 3 inches. This size perfectly suits the dimensions needed for an Instagram profile photo. As you set up your canvas, ensure that the background is transparent. This will give us the flexibility in our design to better accommodate various elements without unwanted backgrounds interfering. Next, we're going to make things easier by placing ruler guides on our canvas. Drag out a horizontal and a vertical guide, both crossing through the center of your canvas. These guides will help keep our design elements aligned and perfectly centered throughout the process. Now, let's add a shape. Select the shape tool from your toolbar and choose the ellipse tool. It's crucial for the aesthetic of an Instagram profile picture that it fits within a circular frame. Once you've selected the ellipse tool, set the stroke option to none so that there isn't an outline around our shape, and choose a fill color that resonates with your overall style or brand. Position your cursor at the center of the canvas and drag outwards to create the circle. If you hold the Alt key while dragging, your circle will automatically center itself based on the guides you just placed. You should now have a perfectly centered circle on your canvas. To define the boundary of our profile picture, you can add a stroke to the circle. This adds a border that gives it a neat and polished look. You can adjust the thickness and color of this stroke according to your preference. The core focus of any profile picture is, of course, the subject. So the next step is to bring in your subject by adding an image. You might want to select an image that best represents your personality or brand. Once the image is in, make sure it aligns well within the circle. You can use the transform tool to resize and position it as needed, ensuring that the key features of the image remain central and visible. Finally, let's add some text. For a personal touch or a subtle brand indication, you can incorporate text into your design. This could be your name or a short inspirational phrase. Using the text tool, click on the canvas and type in your desired text. Use your guides to keep the text aligned and choose a font that is legible yet stylish. Adjust the size and color to complement your overall design, and that's it. You now have a custom designed Instagram profile picture made in Photoshop. Save your design, preferably in a high quality format like PNG, to preserve the transparency and quality. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.